everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you some amazing gifting ideas to gift your boyfriend or husband in this Valentine's Day. So as you all guys know that Valentine's Day is coming soon, and if you are kind of confused that what to gift him or what to not, so this video is going to be super duper helpful for you. So without any further delay, let's quickly start with the video. So all the girls out there, if you are planning to gift your boyfriend or husband a good product which he can make use of it, then this video is going to be helpful for you, because personally I don't like those kind of gift which you have to just keep in your showcase for a showpiece and you can't make any use of it, or you don't have any personal touch with that gift. Then I think that those kind of gifts are completely useless, at least for me. So I will make sure to mention those kind of gifts which has a personal touch, whether it is a decor piece or not. And also I will mention some products which your man can use in his daily life. So the main 2 points which I really need to mention here, that you must keep on your mind that what your man likes and what he really needs. Because if you are going to gift something to your man which he already owns, then it is completely pointless to gift him that. So girls, just try to know whether he already has that product which you are planning to gift him, because I will not suggest you to just ask him directly, because then that will be not a surprise, and who don't like surprises. So just try to figure it out in some other ways and make sure to gift him something which he don't have already. So the first gifting idea for your man is some grooming kits, and what can be more thoughtful and useful than this, because I think that grooming kits are something which everyone needs. And if you can gift something to him which he really needs, whether it is a trimmer or a hair dryer, then I think that he is really going to love and appreciate your thought. So girls, if your man has beard and if he likes to trim them, so you can definitely gift him a good trimmer. And I have gifted my brother a trimmer last year, so I will link that trimmer in my description box below, so you can definitely check that out. And I think that that trimmer is working perfectly for my brother. So you can also gift your man a razor if he likes to be clean shaved. So you can definitely gift him what you want. And you can also gift him a hair dryer, because boys also need hair dryers, especially in rainy seasons. So you can definitely gift him this kind of hair dryer. So this is a hair dryer from Philips which I have been using since last 2.5 years, and this hair dryer is working very good on me. So I will highly recommend this product to you. You can definitely go for the expensive hair dryers, those are of 2000 or 3000 rupees if you have that budget. But if you are in a budget of 700 to 800 rupees, then this is a great option for you. So you can see this hair dryer. So Philips is a really very good brand, and I can completely trust on them. So I have used many products from Philips, and all those are really good for me. So I will link this hair dryer in my description box below, and I will also link expensive one, so you can choose whichever you like according to your budget. So the second gifting idea to gift your man is some skincare products, because everyone needs to pamper themselves with some amazing products. So you can definitely gift him some face toner, some moisturizer, some body lotion, or some after shaving gel, or even a foam, because he needs all those products in his daily life. So you can definitely make a beautiful package of all those products and give that to him. And you can also gift him some hair gel if you want. So that's it girl, you are sorted. Just make a beautiful packaging and put all the skincare products in it and gift that to him, and I'm sure that he will appreciate your thought and he will love you more. So the third gifting idea for your man is obviously some electronic devices, and my first choice in this category is obviously going to be a power bank, because power bank is something which is really necessary in our daily life. So if your man don't have a power bank, please go ahead and gift him that power bank, because that power bank will last for a very long time. So that will be a really very thoughtful and useful gift. The next product which you can gift him is some earphone like this. So if he likes to go to gym, then this kind of this kind of earphone is going to be really very helpful for him. So this is like this. So I will share the link of this earphone in my description box below, and I will also find some other good earphones or headphones, and I will mention in my description box. And if your man goes to the gym or for morning work, I think this kind of fitness band is a really very good option for him. So this is a MI fitness band, and I have got this from my friend in my birthday, and I think that this is an amazing option to gift your boyfriend or anyone. If you want, you can also give this to your friends. So this is a very good option. I will share the link of this product in my description box below, so you can definitely have a look if you want. So this fitness bands retails for 1000 to 2000 3000 rupees. So you can choose any kind of smart band from any brand. So that's completely up to you. I will just mention the link, because if you want a reference, then that will be really very helpful for you. But still, if you don't like all the other options, then you can definitely gift him a wristwatch like this. So you can choose any wristwatch from any brand according to your budget, and you can definitely gift him that, because no matter how much wristwatch your man has, your man is going to love the wristwatches. Because I personally know most of the boys who really like to make a good collection of wristwatches, and they really likes to wear wristwatches. So you can definitely gift him a wristwatch, and he's going to love that. So the fourth gifting option for your man in this Valentine's Day is obviously a pair of jeans or a shirt or a t-shirt, whatever he likes. So you can definitely gift him a pair of jeans or shirts or t-shirts. So if he likes to wear shirts, then you can definitely gift him a good shirt of his favorite color. But make sure to know the right sizes, because if the sizes are not right, then you have to return it, and that will be not very good. So make sure to know the sizes. And if you don't like to gift him jeans or t-shirts, you can definitely gift him a denim jacket or a leather jacket, because winter is still here, and you can definitely gift him a good jacket. And I think that most of the boys out there really like to wear good jackets and style them up. So you can definitely gift him a good jacket. You can shop them online or offline, whatever you like. It's completely up to you. So the fifth option for gifting him is some accessories like purse or belt or a backpack, or you can definitely give him a gym bag if he goes to the gym. So that will be a really very useful gift for him. And you can also gift him some shoes, and make sure to know the right size, and you can definitely gift him a good pair of shoes which he will really appreciate. And you can also gift him cufflinks. And if you don't know what cufflinks is, so cufflinks are basically those buttons which you use to wear with your blazers. So I will link some of them in my description box below. So if your man are into blazers, so you can definitely gift him a good pair of cufflinks. And I think that cufflinks comes in different varieties and prices, so you can choose according to your budget. So I think that will be a really very wonderful gift for him. So the sixth gifting category, and this is the last gifting idea which I am going to share with you guys, because this is the best gifting ideas for your man, and I have saved the best for the last. So these are the customized gifts. Yes guys, you can definitely gift your man some customized gifts, because those are really close to our hearts and no one is going to hate them. And if you gift any customized gift to your man, he is going to love that gift and also is going to appreciate your thought. So you can definitely go to your local nearby customized gift store, and you can make any kind of customized gift like coffee mug or keychain or kind of paperweights or any kind of photo frame. You can choose any picture of him or any picture of both of you of your good moments, and you can definitely make printed it on those items, and you can give that to your boyfriend or husband. And you can obviously make a big sized photo frame, and you can definitely give that to him. You don't need to go to the customized gift store for that normal photo frame. You can definitely give that also. And if your boyfriend is a foodie like me, I think that any kind of food items which he loves is going to be a best gift for him. Because if he likes chocolates, so you need to make a good packaging of the chocolates. You have to put all kind of chocolates he like. Just make sure to assemble it in a good way, and you can just give that package to him. Or even if you like pastries or snacks or chips or any kind of soft drinks or hard drinks, whatever you prefer, you can just gather all the items and make a big packaging, and you can definitely give that to him. He is going to love that for sure. And if you have the time to make a handmade card, what can be better than that? You can definitely gift a handmade card. You need to write a good loving note on that, and you can make them feel special with that handmade card only. And you can also give that handmade card along with the other gifts, so that will be a additional gift, and that will be really very nice. So you can definitely do that if you have that time. And you can also gift him roses or any kind of flowers which he like, so you can definitely give that. And I think that those roses or other flowers would be a very good option for your boyfriend or husband. And I think that those simple roses is also going to bring a good smile on his face and make you feel happy. So please feel free to gift him the roses or the flowers he like. So that is it for today, guys. If you like this video and found this useful, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell notification button next to it, so whenever I upload such videos you will get notified. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, because they also wanted to gift a good product to their man and make them feel special. So as the previous year 2020 was really bad for all of us, that was such a pandemic year, so I think that this year we have to celebrate all the occasions we have at the fullest of our life. So enjoy this Valentine's Day as much as you can with your beloved ones, and don't forget to share your love and gifts with them. And also comment down below what you think of my videos, and if you have any further suggestions for me, please feel free to share that. I will love to know that. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links will be in the description box below. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned. And happy Valentine's Day in advance, guys. Bye bye.